Hi guys, so remember a few months ago I did a full tutorial how to install the eGPU on Windows 10 20H2. It's now working, but everyone now has seen Windows 11 come out, well, the preview come out, so I wanted to see if we could get it working. Unfortunately, I'm on Windows 10 20H2 still. The reason being bootcamp, for some reason, doesn't allow you to install this Windows 11 ISO I've created. That bypasses the Secureboot and TPM fail. So the only way you can do it is by installing Windows 10 first, then installing Windows 11 via USB. So there's two ways you can do this. First way is with the GPU plugged in, but you're gonna have to keep an eye on it and make sure it boots with the EFI boot, because if it does that, it will screw up everything and you're gonna start again. So my advice is to reboot the Mac into Windows without the eGPU on, then we can install it, then we can just simply plug the eGPU back in and reboot it on EFI mode and see if it works from there. So I'm going to turn the eGPU off and have it installed from the normal Windows 10 without the EFI, and then plug it in later and we'll see it works from there. So I'm going to shut down now. And boot as normal. eGPU off. Mine is already booting into Windows, so I don't need to boot with the EFI at all. Okay, just gonna pause it here. So Windows 11 has worked. Moment of truth. Does this now work? Okay. It is a bit smaller because I've been playing around with settings. Windows 11 logo. I'm checking this out the first time with you guys, so it works, it works. Looking good. That works. I need to pause it 1 sec. Hey, that looks good. Controller support is there. Right, that's good. It works. I'm to go back with the PS4 controller. It's a bit glitchy, so there's no cable in the way of the trackpad. So there you are. It has got the driver, and using WinVer, we are on Windows 11. So good news with Windows 11, the eGPU works fine. And you got a notification for the driver. So this works fine on Windows 11. But we have a little bit of hiccup of doing the long way around. So I'm gonna see if we can try and get the ISO working, which is a shame you couldn't do that. You have to take a long way around and upgrade first, but it works.